how to disallow chat messages or chat message notification on your Roblox. I would show you how to turn off this notification. Just watch this video till the end. First, you need to open, as you know, your Roblox. After this, when it's opening, you should come to this 3 point right here, and then you have to come to your settings. So right now on your settings, go to your notifications. I will do it again. Settings, notifications, and then I will come right now to wait. I will come to Roblox platform and chat messages and click none. So that's it in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.